Hi and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do a bit of a voiceover today in this video because in the last video I got some feedback that I was silent the whole video, which is the type of style of video that I like making, especially lately. It's easier for me to give you content that way because I am a bit more tied up in other things, and sometimes I'm just mentally tired and I don't want to over edit because doing voiceovers are actually okay for me. Talking is a lot. It's Friday today, so I do have time to do a little bit more, and I do hope you enjoy this voiceover, whoever requested it. So I also mentioned like style of video. Yes, I have watched like some Korean videos on like slow living, and usually the videos are just visuals and then the sounds of like the surrounding. Like if somebody is in the kitchen making like a boiled egg, you're gonna hear them pour water into the pot and then proceed to boil the water. So you're gonna hear like the bubbling of the water when it's boiling, then with the egg inside, them breaking the shell of the egg to peel it, and they're not talking, and I just find those so relaxing. And when I started this channel, I wanted to make not only memories for future, but also to create the type of content that I myself love watching on YouTube. And now I've also gotten so much into TikTok. Yeah, so I'm also inspired by that. I just love, I guess, a bit of ASMR, and not what you think, like somebody crashing something or playing with slime, which okay, I also love that, but or making their mouth noises like no. I also like if you're walking on the street, you can hear the, I don't know, your shoe on the gravel, or your shoe meeting the concrete, or on a rainy day you're hearing the rain sounds, or like you're walking by a tree and it's windy, that. Then there's also the issue of I could add like nice music to go with the sound ambience of the video, which would really tie in perfectly well. But I find it to be one more extra hard step that demotivates me in content creation because of like maybe copyright issues when it comes to for example, okay, you can get the free non-copyright music on YouTube from the YouTube library, but then again, sometimes it doesn't fit my style, or it doesn't go with the vibe that I want to give with my video. So there's that limitation with that. But then you can, for example, the app that I'm editing with, the app that I'm editing with, maybe it can have its music, but then, and claim that it's free, but then later on, I come to see my video where I'd used their soundtracks or their background music. Suddenly, somebody somebody wants to claim it, or they want to make money off of it. I'm not sure how that really works, but sometimes, yeah, you can be using an app. The background music is free of copyright, free to use all of that stuff. And then one day somebody wakes up and it's changed. And it's either you go onto YouTube and kind of edit your videos, and that time you're probably already like thinking about another video. So much time has passed. It's just a lot. And then you go into that video, you have to silence that part so that, you know, the copyright claim can be like taken away, kind of, or it's not on your video anymore. So just that's why I need to just have my own sound, my own content that not only the visuals but also the sounds are mine. All this to say, in as much as feedback can be good and can help the channel take a great direction that could lead to success or more satisfaction for the viewers, at the same time I would like maybe some consideration to what can motivate me to still put out more content, what can make the motivation process easier for me. And you know, I would also like some appreciation in terms of me trying to break into the slow living / ASMR side of YouTube, because I also enjoy that. And like I said, I want to create content that I love watching, and I want to tie it into my adventurous side of my channel, which was like I used to go out and do activities, or I would show you like me buying something and where I got it, or attending an event, you know, that kind of stuff. So I'm not really veering away too much from that. I'm just adding a new side to it. So I don't know. What do you think? Sometimes when you see a bit of a change in the content style of a content creator, not always, but it can come off as genuine. I say genuine because behind the content is a human being, and human beings evolve, and they also have seasons, and their mindset changes, or the way they view the world changes. And if a content creator is genuine in the way they present themselves online, you can see the change through their content, or how they film, how they express themselves. It's good to see the growth and change of the content creator behind the content. And I know this change sometimes can be a bit, well, you can feel like you don't relate to the content creator anymore like the way you used to. But it's good to recognize when it's a good change and it's an addition or an extension of that person's personality, that creator's personality. Anyway, these are my thoughts. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.